My hair is so not done today. Who cares? It's quarantine. You won't judge me, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to remove any acrylic that has nail design or any nail design from your acrylics. So pretty much the purpose of it is to remove that layer so that you can go on to your next nail design. So that's what we're going to learn how to do today. Very simple. The only tools you're going to need are your e-bit, your e-file, the nail bit, and honestly, if you want, just like a hand nail file, the traditional one, and just to kind of smooth out the bits of it at the end. But other than that, it's super easy. You will need some time as well, but it's okay. We have a bunch of time during quarantine. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please let me know if you have any questions. First, you're going to want to pull out a nail bit just like this. This has little sharp edges, not really sharp for our skin, but sharp enough for our nails, where it's going to really help remove that layer of gel or acrylic layer that you might have. So because the point of this video is to really remove all of the nail detail and nail art that I have on my nails, I'm just going to really be filing away here. It's just super easy, back and forth. You could go straight, up and down, or side to side. When it comes to removing nail art closest to your cuticle, I do move from side to side, but I do find it easier for the rest of the nail to go up and down. But you can try whatever works best for you. And I'm using this dome-shaped nail bit because if I get closest to my skin or my cuticle area, it won't really hurt my cuticle or cut my skin. So this is really why I chose this nail bit. But you can really choose the red one that you've seen before in some other videos. If you don't happen to have this nail bit, it'll just take a little bit longer. I also have my e-file on really high speeds, but you could definitely use it on a lower speed or a medium speed, but I really want to move this as fast as I can. So I'll just speed it up for you. Antes tú no querías, ahora yo no quiero, no, tranqui, yo perreo sola. So I don't get bored, I'm just moving from one nail to the other. Que ningún baboso se le pegue. La disco se prende cuando ella llegue. A los hombres los tienes de hobby. Una malcria como Nairobi. Y tú la ves bebiendo de la botella. Now that I'm done removing the acrylic, the gel, the design, now I'm just really filing just one more time to make sure that everything is smoothed out on all nails with my handy dandy nail file. This will help me apply any gel or any more acrylic and design that I will be doing next. And I know that that pinky nail isn't looking so fly, but I ended up removing it completely and putting on a whole new one with new acrylic as well, because it was broken anyway. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up or subscribe, share to your friends. Honestly, anything is super helpful. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you want to see some nail designs, some, new acrylics, some glitters, some more fun stuff, leave them in the comments, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye. So please enjoy, and Ella perrea sola.